Hello, hello. Tell me, so what's your name?
Namisa Kuhlase.
Namisa Kuhlase. How old are you?
I'm 11 years old, turning 12.
I'm told you are the under 12 champion.
Yes.
Okay. So which club do you play for?
I play for Latvian Chess Academy, also known as LTA.
Okay, where are they found? Where are they?
They are found in Bavaria at the top of Swazi Plaza.
At the top of Swazi Plaza. Do they train?
Yes, we
When?
train on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Fridays at Debonair and Saturdays and Sundays at Swazi Plaza.
Okay. So how has your national championship been so far?
It has been amazing. I've lost quite a few games, but I just won my game against the best player in the ladies section, and I'm super happy. I've learnt a lot of skills, and I showed everyone what I've got.
Okay. So you are proud of your last game.
Yes, very, very proud.
Okay. How many national championships have you played so far?
A lot. I played juniors. Last year I played the ladies section as well. But all in all, I'm just here to learn. Not for the money, not for the awards, just to learn and have a great experience.
Okay. Are you looking forward to the 2026 national championship?
Of course, I'm looking forward to the 2026 national championship. I'm going to come here, show them what I got, and I'm going to show everyone that I can beat everyone as well.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Namisa, and enjoy your next round.
Thank you.